Oh, here's someone's landing. Landing. Landing right over there.
Yeah, I can see it.
No, not jet. It's a private jet.
Looks like a jet.
Yes, it is a jet.
It's so nice.
Some aeroplanes on. Guys, there's an aeroplane! Just
There it is.
landed.
There.
Yeah, let's do it.
Be round
That was
the
nice.
building.
Yeah.
I have a Minecraft joke. Have you heard about the Creeper's birthday party?
Guys, one of the aeroplanes are gonna fly.
Yeah. Okay, Minecraft.
I need to see. I want to see.
There it is. 777 to Dower, 1 road livery, 777 3R. That's 300 3R.
15 plus.
Going to Dower.
Don't meet them then, we're back in a minute.
Massive aircraft.
I've seen the YouTube video of
Going for take off soon. The massive engines, bigger than the 737 fuselage. So to see this departure to Dover.
there'd be like this kind of like spikes at the end, kind of like sticking, so it's like a sticky bomb. Yeah, you see? Yeah, but TNT at each end. Anyway, that huge one thing.
Yeah, see?
Kind of like
Europe
TNT kebab.
EasyJet 320 CEO in the Europe car special livery. Look there.
Black spikes with TNT through them. Sticky bomb. Sticky bomb. Skew someone's sticky bomb.
Doesn't sound like anything. Nothing is coming in at the moment to land.
Maybe you could do that and make like a explosive, like here he comes. And then you can easy that.
Beautiful aircraft. Your size submersion will be muchly different between the two aircraft. That EasyJet will look tiny compared to the 777. See, they already look tiny together. That looks like something that's coming in because of the 777's wings are so wide, like sticking out. Like something. See, the flaps are down, ready for takeoff. Wood should be pulling in at the moment right now. Can you see there's something coming in there? I'm not checked the flight radar to see what it is yet. But looks like a 737 from here.
Oh yeah, it goes down to bedrock.
Unable to see it at the moment. There it is. That looks like that's definitely 737. Ryanair. I'll have to check where that's come from later. A very hard landing as usual. Here's the sound coming in. But he's gonna need to. No, they're gonna need to. Get off the run real quick. That 777 is going to be flying. Oh, here's some Vulcan Air. Now that's going to be tiny compared. Very nice aircraft that. Oh, fellow. Massive aircraft. not massive, like a large, somewhat of a large, somewhat, well, yeah, compared to the A320. Is that Logan Air gonna beat the 777 to take off? Doesn't look like it, because that 777 is turning onto the runway at the moment, ready for takeoff. In the background, that's 777. So a nice speedy departure from 777. So the special One World livery looks amazing. 777-300ER is one of my favourite aircraft from Boeing. Qatar is one of my favourite airlines as well. I've never gone on it, but I just really want to see videos about trips about business class. And there we are, ready for takeoff. Very loud in these very loud engines. There we go. Starting, reaching around 80 knots at this second. The wings flexing a lot. The aircraft is bubbling. V1. There's V1. Very loud aircraft. There's the Europe. Here comes the 320 on the course of a takeoff. Lost it. Where is it? I can see it, but you can see it ever so slightly in the distance there. It's very blurry. Before, wow! Blurry. That's great. It's blurry. Looks like an amazing takeoff about to happen.
There's one of my two of my favourite skins is Zerly, basically.
Sorry that I missed Logan Air in the 320. I had to move down somewhere. It was a bit calmer down here, so I had to move. I just ran all the way to not miss it. Yeah, it's coming in. I have no idea what it is. I've not checked what it is. It's an easy. Oh yeah, it's an easy jet. Probably an FE20. Definitely some wind here today because it looks like it's coming in sideways. Well, there's another 320.
Where is it, Eva? What are you doing? Here. Come here.
Looks like there's another one coming in.
There's one behind you, isn't there?
Yeah, I'll come behind it. No, I don't know why I didn't check the red. I don't know why I didn't check the radar valve moving.
So, you see the light, she's there.
Yeah.
There's that one there, you look behind it, see some more lights in the distance and in the sky.
Triple arrival.
We're all coming down.
There's a triple arrival.
Which one's quicker?
The one that's closest here, the one that we can see is brightest lights.
What's that?
That's the sun.
That's a star.
You're on the grass.
I'm not going.
Eva, I know you so well. You would have run across the grass if you were given a chance. No. Listen, if you're good, Eva, look at me.
Well, that's a speedy. Looks like a speedy touchdown there. Looks like a Ryanair 737. Yeah.
I know.
So Ryanair 737. I think it is. Yeah, it is. Well, it's going to be Ryanair. It's always going to be a 737. It's amazing how powerful the rudders are to actually turn the aircraft. There it is, powering on. So it turns taxiing speed. There's the Yamaha one. It's actually really pixelated because I'm zooming in and I don't know why it's going really like pixelated. What is that? That looks like whatever it is came down the hall and it looks like a 737. It's like an Air 320. That's the final aircraft of the mainland. It's the final aircraft.
So cool in real life.
Try and record some.
Sorry.
Sure.
Eva.
There's something coming out at the moment. No idea what it is, but it's definitely coming. This will be the final aircraft of the video. There's one up there. I don't know if you can see it because it's quite blurred. There's that. That's the A320 that just landed. It's an EasyJet. This is the final aircraft of the video. Goodbye.